Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa with the sup for inside our green, white, green country, so maybe Nigeria. And once again, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with fresh reports. We go like, share, give the general public. And the cocoa now be say, one political commentator wey dey go by the name of Ndukwe, he now don come outside come throw new light, don give update on the ongoing efforts to resolve the political tensions wey don dey linger between the Rivers State governor wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara and his predecessor, man wey don become the Minister of FCT, and I'm talking about RI0USLY. And now for inside one exclusive interview wey Oga Ndukwe gets with Tori people, Nigerian con dey yarn say the both leaders don begin to dey take deliberate steps towards reconciliation after months of escalating disputes wey don threa ten to destabilize Rivers State political landscape. After tensions don escalate to the extent wey be say men don dey reason now say yes, things are getting out of hand. And according to Oga Ndukwe for inside the interview, he said a significant breakthrough occurred just recently when the suspended governor of Rivers State, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, been last visit Oga RI0USLY at his private residence. Oga Ndukwe now don confirm am say yes, Sir Siminalayi Fubara don go visit Oga RI0USLY. And on this important mission to foster peace, Sir Sim Fubara no waka alone at all. He was very much accompanied by influential delegation, and this influential delegation they include the governor of Ebonyi State, plus the governor of Ogun State, Dapo Abiodun, and respected elder statesman, former governor Olusegun Osoba. He said their presence was seen as a strategic move, and in they talk about the bigger political interest in mending fences between the two powerful figures. That is, this movement na a peace movement. This movement na to make sure say stability return back to Rivers State. And for the interview, Oga Ndukwe constantly proceed further to explain. Say this visit by Sir Sim Fubara, there's no formalities, there is no hesitation involved at all. This visit no be wine. Sir Sim Fubara entered the house of Oga RI0USLY with ease and familiarity. This man waka enter with confidence and he making way to the living room without anybody guiding him. That to show say he know the in and out of the house of Oga RI0USLY. And that they also they speak volumes about the deep personal and political relationship where these two mature men don't get before their quarter come board. According to how they talk, they come aside from the mouth of Oga Ndukwe for inside the interview. They say Fubara no go alone to go meet with Oga RI0USLY at all. The governor of Ebonyi State was there. The governor of Ogun State, wey be Dapo Abiodun, was also there. The former governor Olusegun Osoba was also present. Na then carry Fubara go the house of RI0USLY. And when Sir Sim Fubara arrived the house of Oga RI0USLY, he just waka straight to the living room of Oga RI0USLY because this na the house where he dey used to. This na the house where he know every. He no need person to tell him at all. The house of Oga RI0USLY na a familiar terrain. And this meeting so was very much orchestrated with the involvement of key political weights, and that they suggest that influential forces within and beyond Rivers State are very much invested. They are very much interested in restoring unity to Rivers State. And now whether this initial move now go lead to a lasting truce, now something we see men go see later on. But for now, the groundwork for peace, the blueprint for stability, the foundation for truce, the foundation for reconciliation has appeared to be laid. So this, my good people, now how they talk they come aside from the mouth of the political commentator where they go by the name Ndukwe. Now, my good people, anyhow this matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. Meanwhile, we still get another update for table where I still need share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say one public analyst where they go by the name Bello Osigwe, he now don come outside and they talk strongly about the political crisis where they happen for inside Rivers State. Now say during one interview where this country person get with Tori people, he now they share his point of view, he now they share his own opinion on the ongoing protest and the fight between supporters of Governor Sim Fubara and the former governor of Rivers State, who last become the Minister of FCT, and that now RI0USLY. For this interview, so Oga Osigwe dey explain say while traveling through Eleme, He meet with a group of women dressed in black who were doing protest, and he come outside from the car wey him dey drive, and he come dey ask them say if they were paid to do protest. One of the woman now come dey tell him wey dey ask the women say they go rather bear RIP than to collect money to betray their cause. Now him wey be Oga Osigwe, as he come hear all this level finish coming from the women, he dey very much proud for them for standing firm and doing protest without being paid to do any level. He appreciates the sincerity, he appreciates the vibe wey dem carry come outside. But however, he let men know say he no get the same opinion about the supporters of Oga RI0USLY. That is those men now wey dey do protest in support of the emergency rule and in support of Oga Ibas. He no sure say those men dey do am genuinely. He no sure say those men now dey fit do am without collecting money. He say e get many country people now for inside we nation Nigeria wey dey very much poor and desperate, and he say he know very well say those people dey ready to do anything for money, and he come dey blame the political problems for inside Rivers State for making life dey more hard for ordinary people. Then when tori people come ask Oga Osigwe whether the situation was hopeless, whether the things and things wey dey play for inside Rivers State now don true get out of hand, Oga Osigwe now come dey yarn say it wasn't hopeless o, and he dey believe very well say peace is very much possible if the suspended governor Sasim Fubara stays strong. If the man stand gidigba like Calabar Fufu, him believe say peace go last return. Him believe say if Sasim Fubara no bow to pressure, peace go return to Rivers State. And Oga Osigwe constantly draw ear the sermon warning say if Sasim Fubara can last go back to Oga RI0USLY and he can go apologize, that go be like giving up the future of Rivers State to one man. According to how the talk dey come aside from the mouth of Oga Osigwe, he said the moment Fubara goes back to Wike and says he's sorry, he has sold the destiny of Rivers State to one man. Then about the rumors wey dey ground about Sasim Fubara decamping, about Sasim Fubara cross-carpeting from the PDP to the All Progressive Congress, Oga Osigwe come dey sermon warning say if Sasim Fubara defects, if he cross-carpet go APC, his political career will be destroyed forever. In short, Oga Osigwe now dey believe say for Rivers State to move forward, Sasim Fubara must stand firm and not allow anybody to control him. This my good people na the point of view, this my good people na the opinion of Oga Bello Osigwe on the matters wey dey arise, on the things and things wey dey play for inside Rivers State, and this na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like give on a legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update and you would like to receive more, then sharp make you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. Now me dey come back with more news, me dey come back with more updates, me dey come back with more reports for you my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.